Hello, second grade. In this video, 12.2, we're going to be doing a lesson called Can I Buy It? So we're going to be giving a word problem, and we're going to be building the money based on what the word problem tells us and seeing, do we have enough money to buy the things? So we have our book for 55 cents, a pencil for 27 cents, the world's cheapest iPhone for 80 cents, and a pen for 39 cents. Our word problem is, Pauline has 3 dimes, 1 nickel, and 3 pennies. Can she buy the pen? So right now we don't know that until we start building the money and then totaling it. So we're going to bring in our 3 dimes first, our nickel, and then our 3 pennies. So now we see the money. A couple ways we can do this. We can do what we've been taught before with writing in and skip counting. So we have 10 cents for the first dime, 20 cents with 2 dimes, 30 cents for 3, 35 when we have the nickel, and then counting by ones with the 3 pennies, 36, 37, and 38 cents. So now that we have our total, we need to compare that to what it's asking, can we buy? So can we buy the pen for 39 cents? Well, we only have 38 here. The pen is 39 cents. So our final answer for this one is no, we cannot buy the pen. You could extend this by thinking how much more money we would need to buy that pen. So the difference between the 38 cents and the 39 cents is 1 penny, so I would need 1 more penny. Now let's try another one. So Matt has 3 quarters and 1 dime. Can he buy the iPhone? So once again, we want to model from greatest to least the coins that we have. So 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, and 1 dime is our total here. So we have the money set up from greatest to least. Now the other way we can do this is once you start becoming more experienced with counting money, we can do the skip counting in our head. So 25, 50, 75, and now we see a change in coins. 75 plus 10 more is going to be 85. So we have a total of 85 cents. And we need to compare that to the price of the iPhone, which was 80 cents. So here we see that the 85 cents that we have is greater than the 80 cents that it costs. So our final answer is yes, we can buy this iPhone. And now on to our last example. Jake has 1 quarter, 2 dimes, and 1 nickel. Can he buy the book? So we're going to model the 1 quarter, 2 dimes, and 1 nickel. Once again, greatest to least. And we can show the skip counting, or we can do mental math. This time we'll skip count, showing the skip counting. 25, 10 more would be 35, 10 more 45, and 5 more 50 cents. So we have a total of 50 cents, and we're looking here, can you buy the book? So the book here is 55 cents. So we're going to compare that to the 50 cents that we have. 55 cents here. It gets the 2 dots because it's greater than, 1 dot here, connect the dots. We see the 55 cents is greater than, so, or better way to say that, 50 cents is less than 55 cents. This is the money that we have. This is the money that it's cost. In the end, no, we cannot buy the book. We don't have enough money. Once again, the extension, how much more money would it take to be able to buy that book? So if we compare here, we see that we would need 5 more cents or another nickel, and then we would have the exact amount. So to recap, we are going to show the money by drawing or using our coins. We're showing the skip counting, and then finally we're comparing the amount that the object costs to the amount that we have to see if we can buy it or not. Please leave a comment, something about your learning from this video.